Hey guys, it's Jay Ketsu. We're going to go over customizing our theme today. As you can see, I'm using the Brooklyn theme for this example. But we're going to go ahead and visit the theme store. Now, Brooklyn theme is actually a free theme that I use. And then there's plenty of other themes out there that are paid and other ones that are free. I like to use two free ones in particular. One is called Brooklyn and the other is called Supply. They both have their pros and cons. I'm going to label some of them below. But go ahead and check out, let's say, the Supply theme first. And check out the accessories. Now, they have drop-down menus. You can check out how it looks on mobile. Adds to cart and takes you directly to the cart, which is great. And then you can easily fill out your details. Yeah, so the Supply theme is a pretty good one. That's the one I actually started out with originally. And then I later discovered the Brooklyn theme, which is also just as good. Let's go ahead and see how we can customize our theme easily. So the header, we can adjust our logo here. Upload an inverted logo. That just means another color. For Brooklyn theme, there's slideshows that you can add here. I prefer just having one solid image. That's mainly for loading times. You can change the text out here. Then of course I can change out the collections. I can assign particular collections to it. So I could assign the homepage collection or whatever collection I create in the near future. See how this is actually really easy to adjust everything. That's why I love Shopify. No coding experience required. You can just swap out things. Of course, in the footer, make sure you change all your social links. Check your general settings for colors, the fonts that you want to use. All important to keep in mind. I usually only like to stick with two main colors for a theme and then two main fonts. So maybe like a header font and then your general reading font. Favicon image, which is a little icon you see on the browsers at the top. Yes, you can adjust everything very easily here. Align it to your liking. Just make sure when you're looking at your store that it does not hurt your eyeballs or potential customers' eyeballs. Of course, for logo creation, we can come to Fiverr. You can go ahead and join them real quick. And then you can look into graphics and logo design here. You should check out my requirements for logos below. I do have criteria that I have people look over. And then I also use SEO clerks for graphic work as well. Very easy to do. Prices are affordable. See you guys in the next lesson.